So this is an uncleaned room of a teenage girl, and we're gonna make this better before we head back to school. So I wanted to show you guys a quick before. Now my poor girl has not been feeling well, and it's time for a room refresh. She's been gone almost all summer between vacation and camps that she's been at and an injury. So there is a bag of luggage over there in the corner. That's a stuffed animal, not a real cat. And we have not cleaned in here. It's just been kind of go, go, go. So we are doing a room refresh and want to give you guys an idea of the before, especially her bed and especially her bedding. So we have the duvet cover off right now because it's been kind of a nightmare. She needs a comforter. Target has these right now for dorm rooms and back to school. Really good deals. This one's black. And then this one's pink, and it's got that sort of crinkly texture to it. This one's a cotton knit. So they're both really affordable. I want to say this one was $25 and this one was $15. So I'm going to let her choose. And right now we just have a throw on her bed. The duvet cover worked for a while, but then the little ties that held her down insert in kind of came out, and I did her headboard and half the lights are out. So this is a good before shot for you guys. We've got a lot of cleaning and rearranging, and I'm going to move some furniture around, and that's where the duvet is in the hallway because I'm so frustrated with it. And just like that, a week or more has passed. The room is completely moved around, and we have about 80 to 90% of the room refresh done. So I'm just gonna walk you guys through the changes that we made, and then I will go ahead and turn the lights on and show you it all lit up. So basically we flipped the room. Now my daughter's bed is on this wall, and prior it was over here under her window. So we did that for a couple of reasons. One being she's a lover of all things makeup, and so now she has her very tiny vanity underneath this window for better lighting. She is so thrilled about this. Another big change is her dresser. So this was something I picked up secondhand off of a local website, and it was cheap. It's not my permanent ideal situation, but it had the right measurements and it was in good shape. So we transitioned from her last dresser that I've sold, the teal one, to this one, and it suits her needs better. The other one was cuter. This one's much more functional. One thing that I will show you, she'll kill me. We haven't organized the drawers on the inside yet, but she has some of her makeup in this drawer, and that is really nice because she'll sit here at her vanity, and that's right at the right height for her to grab anything she needs out of that drawer. This drawer holds quite a bit as well, even though this is so tiny. I think this is like a total of 11 inches in depth. So, but it does hold quite a bit. So this is just gonna work out a lot better. The one thing we need to change over here now is the stool. This is something I had in my living room for a while, and I just got it secondhand on Craigslist maybe for $20. That's why it doesn't match, and it's not a bad height for her, but we want something that's a little more durable. That's an older piece. So we are in the process. We've been out to the store 3 times looking for something that isn't super deep because we don't want it sticking out much farther than this. So Home Goods has a few options. They're just in the wrong color. So we will find one soon, I'm sure. The window now provides a lot of light, and she's not doing her makeup on her bed anymore, which makes mommy happy. Over here, we sort of took everything off the walls and rearranged it. I brought this mirror over here that used to be by her closet, and we just kind of ditched a few of the mirrors we weren't in love with and kept it a little more simple before she had quite a few mirrors collected together. I think this looks really nice now. On top, we just moved some of her things around, cleaned everything, organized, donated, and really just kept what is working. Now, I had gotten the lamp over here. I want to show you guys the artwork as well. So those are all things that I have thrifted and just reused here in her room. And this little lamp I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby for about $4, and I just picked up this new shade from Walmart. It was $8, but it was exactly what I wanted. And then here is the addition from Burlington Coat Factory. I think that looks really good over there. The only thing we're gonna do is change it to a gold finish, and that's probably something I'll share over on Instagram. The wind is blowing, so you'll see some changes in the window blinds there. I might also change the hardware of this dresser. Ultimately, I want to get something the same shape and size, but just maybe a little bit more the aesthetic that I'm going for in here. So we'll see how long that stays with us. It might just stay here forever. But changing the color of that vase is going to be super easy, and I might just go ahead and change the hardware to match as well with the gold. I'm not into mixed metals, as you can tell. We did move this over here. This is just her little organizer for all her hair stuff, and cleaned it out, of course. It's really nice that she has her little fan here. That was a Walmart buy from last year. We moved her little jewelry organizer over here, just edited down what she actually wears. And that's a little $3 bin from Target at Easter time. I just stuck that little hook thing on the inside, and it's kind of nice. It just makes a really nice little necklace organizer. Brought over her artwork over here, Be Brave, and we moved the light up headboard that I DIY'd last summer over here. So her headboard was there. We just flipped it. And then we moved everything around. I had gotten a few pieces at Hobby Lobby on clearance, and we put them to work over here with a few things that were already in here. The black and white print is new. All the mirrors we just reused in new places. We already had this little box sign, "There's no place like home." We just hung it on the wall. And the little cactus print there is new. And then the cityscape over there is new. Those were all clearance buys at the Hobby Lobby clearance sale. So for her bedding, the only thing that's new is her new comforter. So we decided the black was going to be the best. It's really soft and comfortable. It's a nice jersey knit. It is reversible. Target has it right now in their dorm collection. The only thing I would advise you is that it didn't come with a pillow, sham, or anything to coordinate. It's just the comforter, which for us works out just fine because she has all these mix and match pillows anyways. So that was a great change. I think her room looks a lot more grown up now with this sort of gallery wall, and I added our second IKEA lamp up there. She had one in her room, and I had picked this one up, gosh, like February or March. I finally got it on the wall. So she's got a lot better lighting in here now. And again, the rest of them are just little treasures we've had. I made the pillows last summer when I did her room. Now, the bed frame is different. We sold her bed frame and got our monies back. I like to buy used and then resell it. And this is an amazing find. I was doing some shopping around, and on Amazon I found these bed frames. They come in different heights, so it's kind of hard to tell from here, but that is an 18-inch rise. They come in 14, 16, and 18. Now the great thing about that is you can fit full-size storage tubs under there, and you can fit 4. So you can do 2 up front and 2 right here. We're gonna put 2 under here. We haven't gone through them yet, but she has all kinds of American Girl doll stuff that she would like to sell on eBay, but she needs easy access to it, and having it in the garage is not the best access for her. So we're gonna get those tubs all organized and she can bag them up into lots, and then we're just gonna go ahead and put them right under there so that as she sells them, she can go ahead and access them for easy handling, for taking pictures and shipping them out. And I thought that was a really nice thing to have. We also, as you saw, put our textbooks under the bed. The kids had registration and got their textbooks, and they pretty much go under their beds until they turn them back in because we don't really use them. So let me go ahead and turn around and show you her closet area. This is giving you kind of a full room view. Another thing that didn't work out that I am looking for, there's my big old feet prints in the carpet I just vacuumed, is that rug I got at Target. I didn't realize how brown our carpet was until I brought in that oatmeal rug. And I really think we need a print in here. So I'm thinking of just picking up a rug I have my eye on. It costs a little more. It's at Walmart. It's a black and white print, but it would be a better size also. The problem we ran into with the other rug was the color was totally different from the shade of carpet we have. And also, you can tell where her bed was, where the carpet isn't used and flattened out. It's still rising. It's just been about a week. But the vanity was, any kind of stool she has, the carpet will have to go all the way to the wall when I'm talking about a rug, because otherwise she'll just be catching it constantly with the stool. So the other rug is larger, and I think it's going to work out better. The other rug just looked wrong in here. It looked gray. I did pick this up at Walmart. It's another one of the things that they have out for back to school and dorm type items. It's just a simple full-length mirror. She has a little organizer down there on the floor for all her bobby pins and hair ties. And so that little mirror was only $5. It was like $4.88 at Walmart. And they had it in gold, teal, pink, and black. And there's our other IKEA light fixture. So what I want to do is find something cute to hang to hide the cord, but we'll find that over time, I'm sure. I don't like to just get stuff and throw it up. I like to really like it. There's her clock. I think that's a Walmart or Target clock. And then we moved this piece over here. It was above her vanity on the wall her bed's on. And now we just have all her body sprays. They've told her no more buying body sprays for a while. You're doing good, girl. And we hung the other piece of wall art from Hobby Lobby, the other pink cactus print, and just kind of cleaned up and edited her little decorative shelves. So those are a lot of fun over here, and that's what she sees from her bed. And I am really happy with her closet. So this is just a, I don't even know what you would call it, but it's got a big old mandala on it like a wall scarf maybe. We use it as a curtain, and her closet has changed so much for the better. So these gray bins are little bins I got on clearance at Walmart for $3 a piece. We organized all her stuff, and I bought all new hangers. These are the slim black velvet style hangers. I bought them on Amazon. I'm super happy with them. I also got these for putting pants and skirts on, and that just, I think, has helped a lot. And then she's got all her hanging pieces. I also got a couple of these for leggings. And then down here, I brought in a little organizer I had in my garage. So we just put her shoes on it. She's got her little waist basket and her backpack. And I shortened her closet organizer from IKEA. Being able to hang her clothes now that she's pretty much an adult is a lot better for space. When she was younger, we used to fold everything and we didn't have as much hanging. Now she needs more hanging space and less in the way of folding and putting things in drawers. So we're so much more organized. I am so thrilled. We've been through every nook and cranny. The only thing left to do is for her to go through her drawers in her dresser to put things exactly how she wants them. They're pretty much organized, but I'm gonna leave that to her. So now I just wanted to show you guys what her room looks like with the lights on. It is day and we do have some lighting left, but we have her IKEA fixture over here and her light up headboard. So those are just Christmas lights that I strung up and down and put some shears in front of. And that comes on with her light switch, with her light fixture, and her lamp over here on her dresser. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this room refresh. Be sure to come over and visit me on Instagram. I'll probably post over there when I find the rug, the stool, and then as soon as I paint her little vase gold. Just give you guys more updates. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.